You have reached a point of financial independence, and we will need to put in place a straightforward system for monitoring and paying your monthly obligations. Trying to do everything alone is not an option at this point. The way you handle your expenses and whether or not you pay them on time are very essential since they have an impact on your credit score. Your credit score is similar to your bank's perception of you. If you constantly pay your bills late, you will develop a negative bank perception of you. Hey, let's talk Beginner's Guide Budgeting. I understand that having a bad reputation in the movies is appealing, but having a bad financial reputation will result in you having a bad credit score, which will have an impact on your future. For example, if you decide to go to the bank and ask for a mortgage to buy a house, or if you need a bank loan, or if you apply for a credit card, you may be denied because all of your bad credit score in the future. You will need to decide 3 things when setting up your bill payment system. First, whether you will receive your bills in the mail or electronically. Second, whether you will track your bill payments in a notebook or electronically on a spreadsheet. And third, whether you will pay your bills online or through telephone banking. Let's take a look at each of your alternatives. What do you like to get your bills and statements in? The mail or electronically? If you prefer to receive your bills and statements in the mail, check to see if there are any extra costs. Some financial institutions now charge a fee for distributing monthly statements. If you choose for electronic communication, just your personal email address will be used to receive your communications. If you receive a large number of emails in your inbox and your inbox is very full, consider creating a separate email address. Use that email account for business and banking purposes. When you start receiving your monthly bills, do they all come due at the same time? Here's a pro tip. Don't use your work email and don't use your school email address. Your employer in your school may have access to these accounts. Alternatively, you may contact your bill providers and request that they adjust the due date of your bills. For example, you might request that half of your bills be due on the 1st of each month and the other half be due on the 15th of each month. Each month is a good idea to get into the habit of paying your bills 2 days before they're due. To help you remember, create a calendar reminder on your phone for 2 days before your payments are due. The second decision is whether you will monitor your bill payments in a notebook or online. If you want to track your bill payments electronically, you will need a location to record each month's bill payments, while a notebook is recommended for the first step. You may alternatively use a spreadsheet if that is more convenient. Several business and stationery shops have general ledger books that are ideal for this purpose. Look for a book with 6 columns. Consider the following illustration. The following columns should be included in whatever template you choose. The date of which the bill was paid, the name of the bill, and the amount that has to be paid are all included. The confirmation number for the bill payment transaction. In a column for a check mark, provide the date on which the bill is due. Once the payment has been paid, if all of your bills are sent to you, You may use the notebook to keep track of the paper bills as they come in the mail. Pro tip: keep a record of each paycheck you get in your notebook. If your pay is direct deposited in your account, get in the habit of double checking the amount that was paid to make sure it matches the amount shown on your paid up document. The last decision is whether you will pay your bills online or by telephone banking. If you choose to pay your bills online, you will simply need to connect into your bank account through your home network. Never use public Wi-Fi to pay your bills or access your financial information. It is dangerous. It is not secure to do telephone banking on a mobile phone. If you have access to a landline at home, use it to pay your bills instead of using your cell phone. The landline provides a safe and secure connection. If there's anything more you'd want to know about money, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and please consider becoming a subscriber.